Alright, so I ain't even gonna get too deep with the cars today. Today I'm just gonna let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, what the exhaust setup look like, sound like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody out there, you know what I'm saying, oh, this exhaust is the best, da da da. I'm all about the sound and the look. So yeah, let me give out a brief overview. So what are all the exhaust mods that I did to this? What did I do to it? I have the Burke resonated test pipes at 370Z Nismo exhaust, and I had to extend it to make it fit on here. I had to, extra pipe on it to make it fit on here. And I got the muffler delete. Also got the cold air intake, long tubes, go down to the fender. And this shit sounds fucking amazing. This sounds dope. It sounds dope. It sounds dope. I don't care what exhaust you got. Mine sounds great. I'm gonna crank it up. Crank it up, let y'all hear. This ain't no cold start. But I'm gonna crank it up, let y'all hear what's up with it. I'm sure y'all can hear it. It sounds like a little V8. Well, let y'all get a little closer. Sounds awesome. It's quiet when you want it to be. Can make a lot of noise when you want it to. Now it's time for the noise. Let y'all hear what it sounds like. So, with all that being said, I'm gonna head up to a little place I call The Spot, and I'm gonna let y'all hear how the car sounds, driving it, launches, all that stuff. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Comment below if y'all like my setup, what you guys recommend, I ain't switching mine, so y'all can recommend something to somebody else. But yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so we're in the car, and I'm about to head up to The Spot. I got my GoPro outside so I can get some footage, see what that sound like. I'll try and hear what in the cabin sound like. Oh yeah, my car is a 6-speed manual, you know what I'm saying? Do the automatic things around here. That's what second gear right there. But like I said, the drone is not bad at all. Trust me, I know about drones. This is manageable drone. I've pretty much done the same setup to all my whips. This is my first time using Burke test pipes though, or test pipes for that matter. But like, you can hear it, that's fourth. I'm in fourth right now, just tapping it. So I take my traction off real quick. Where's that damn button at? Okay, there we go. Head up to this. Those are hard pulls, I'm shifting at 5,000 RPMs. So asked me why my tints are purple from the inside. I bought the car, it had these old ass tints on it. It looks black as hell from outside. It's 5%. So I just left it. I don't care what, you know, inside looking like. I'm the one driving it. Outside it looks black, pitch black. So I ain't even waste my time taking them off. Works for me. But yeah, as long as I can hear like, hear what it sound like. Beat this light. And there was a cop. Wow. I'm shifting with my tripod in my hand, so if it's shaky, my bad. I don't know where my mount is. I think I left it in the truck. Barely any drone. Yeah, that, I'm saying. Quiet when you want it to be. Very manageable. Alright guys, so we're here at the spot. I'm setting up the cameras. I'm gonna have my Canon getting me going up that way. And I'm putting my phone somewhere up there so I can hear the drive-by. And I got a GoPro right here to catch everything else. So yeah, let's see.
Bro, shit a beast, yo. Hey. Oh, shit. And I realized. Shit a beast, yo. Yo.
starting. Poof, poof. That shit sound good as fuck, my nigga.